this is reading completely inaccurate RPMs. It's below 1,000 and it's wavering up above, showing almost 1,800. You give it throttle and it goes down. Now it goes down, and then there's occasional little burble, and you get a rise in the RPM meter when in the tachometer when the RPMs are actually reducing. And now you give it more throttle, and the indication drops. Then I turn it off. It should drop to 0 immediately, and now it's gradually going down. I can't find any connections that are wrong, but something happened with the installation of the new module, and it's not right.